We have three tenses, present, past, and a future, and each tense has a four parts. Okay, so I'm going to teach you the first tense, which is very useful, and we are using this tense, 50% in our daily life. Okay, so the tense name is present simple tense. The old name of this tense is present indefinite tense. The present simple tense is used to describe habits, general truth and repeated action and fixed situation. It is one of the most basic and commonly used tense in English. It means we use this tense on daily basis, and it's used for the general truths and habits. So the structure of it is what subject. What are the subjects? Subject is a doer like I, we, you, they, and any noun. Okay, plus base form of verb and plus rest of the sentence. What about the verb forms? Like we have the form of verb go, went, gone, and can, came, come. Okay, sleep, slept, slept. We will use the first form of verbs in this tense. And what about that? The subjects like I, you, we, they, plus I have made the sentence like I eat breakfast every day, and you eat breakfast every day, we eat breakfast every day, and they eat breakfast every day. So these are the subjects, and after that eat is a verb first form, and after I use the rest of the sentence. Okay, it, and any singular name we will use, we will add the s, es, and ies with the subjects. Like he eats breakfast every day, and she eats breakfast every day, it eats, and Ali eats. Singular name means one name. Ali works, she studies. At the end I have for example, I, we, you, and they, and plural name, I use the base form of verb, just base form of verb. It means you have to use only the base form. Like I work, they play, we come, and we work, they study. It means just base form. And if it comes to with the he, she, it, and singular name, it means the only one name, you need to add with the main verb s, es, and ies to the main verb, right? That like she works, he watches, and he studies, right? That where you will use the es when the verb sound is hissing sound, like wash, watch, okay, stitch, you will add the es. And where you will use the ies when at the end of the verb y come, before that any consonant come, then you will cut the y and you will add the ies. Like as I have given the example, he studies, and with the other verb you need to add the s. One, to use the present simple tense, habits and routine. It means you have to use with your what about the habits you do have, and for the daily routine we mostly use, and we have to use the present simple for the daily routine. Okay, and often with the adverbs like always and usually, often and sometimes, never. Like I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. It means we use the adverb. Okay, she goes to the gym twice a week, right? That. And what about the general truth and facts, things that are always true, right? That like the sun rises. The spelling of this is wrong, I think so. Rises, yeah, great, very good. Okay, the sun rises in the east and water boils at 100 centigrade. It means this is the this is the general truth. This is the general truth. This is the fact. The sun rises in the east and water boils at 100 centigrade. Okay. Permanent situation, long-term facts. Long-term facts, permanent. We use the present simple for that. He lives in London. He lives in London. This is the permanent situation. They work at a bank. Permanent situation. And schedule events, timetable, and for the program, we use it like the train leaves at 6 p.m. And you can say the movie starts at 8:30. The movie starts at 8:30. Okay, with stative verbs, verbs not usually used in continuous tenses. Okay, example like know, believe, and want. Okay, like I like chocolate. You need to say I like chocolate. Okay, you don't need to say I am loving chocolate. This sentence is wrong. I am believing you. I believe you. She knows better. Don't say she's knowing better. Okay, this comes in the present simple tense. She knows the answer. And what about this? How can you make the positive, negative, interrogative, interrogative, WH and WH negative sentence? As I told you that we use the word first form. I work, मैं काम करता हूँ. She works, वो काम करती है. I don't work, do not, don't. The negative contraction of do not is don't, okay? And does not is doesn't. मैं काम नहीं करता, I don't work. वो काम नहीं करती, she doesn't work. When you use do does, then the s you will not add with the main verb s and es, okay? I don't work, she doesn't work. And what about the interrogative? The do does will come first. Like, do you work? क्या आप काम करते हैं? Does she work? क्या वो काम करती है? Do you not work? क्या आप काम नहीं करते? Does she not work? क्या वो काम नहीं करती? What about the end? Like the WH, where do you work? Where do you work? आप काम कहाँ करते हैं? Where does she work? वो काम कहाँ करती है? And what about the WH negative? Why don't you work? आप काम क्यों नहीं करते? And why doesn't she work? वो काम क्यों नहीं करती? Right that? Now I'm going to ask a few sentences to you and then I hope you will answer to me. Okay. मैं जाता हूँ. I go. मैं आता हूँ. I come. Okay. मैं सोता हूँ. मैं उठता हूँ. I wake up. Okay. Okay. मैं कंप्यूटर चलाती हूँ या इस्तेमाल करते हैं. I operate computer. Okay. मैं मोबाइल इस्तेमाल करता हूँ. मैं इंग्लिश बोलता हूँ. वो इंग्लिश सुनती है. इंग्लिश. Okay. क्या आप मूवी देखते हैं?
Do you watch movie?
Do you watch movie? Okay, that's it. Very good.